What's going on, guys? In this video, we're gonna talk about SoFi. Once again, that's SoFi with the ticker symbol SOFI. Guys, in this video, we're gonna talk about two articles. First is the article that was written yesterday by this is from Investor Place. Okay, so it says here that buying SoFi stock isn't an easy choice; it's the right decision. Okay, and second article is the article that just came out today. It says here. Galileo and Mastercard accelerating digital transformation in Latin America and the Caribbean. Guys, if you like the information and analysis I'll be providing in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get going. SoFi, by the time of this recording, is currently trading at $7.04. It's now up 10.06%. So recently, there's a lot of people that is very excited for SoFi because today is a Fed meeting, and they are expected to raise the interest rate by 50 basis points. But even though there's a Fed meeting, SoFi is surging, and for some reasons definitely there is a catalyst. Now guys, we'll try to read on to this article. The first article that I have pulled out for today is buying SoFi isn't an easy choice, it's the right decision. This article is from yesterday. So it says here, SoFi Technologies could still more than double to $14.41 in the next 12 months. SoFi's stocks bears are thriving on fear more than the real downside risk. Shares of SoFi Tech continue to offer growth at a compelling discount for long-term buyers. So for long-term buyers like you and me, I think guys that this stock will do well more than $14.41 in the next 12 months if I am actually reflecting it. I'm trying to compare it with the current price action, like the price action today. Okay guys, so if we scroll down here, it clearly says that in the stock market, April was one of those. If you love it then you have to love it now months. Even if you didn't care before, SoFi Technologies stock should now have the attention of a far bigger audience of purchasers according to that knowledge. It was enough to take a toll on financial markets this January with the runaway inflation figures, problematic global supply chains, and increasingly hawkish rate discussion set against the backdrop of a chronic COVID-19 infection and the ongoing crisis with Ukraine. With a 13-year year-to-date decrease, the Nasdaq led the broader averages with more significant losses in heavyweight members like Alphabet and Amazon. So it says here, SoFi Technologies bullishly skewed prospects. Clearly guys, SoFi Technologies wasn't alone in this misery in April or for that matter over the past 6 months, as SoFi stumbled a stunning 73%. But take note guys, if you are beginning your position right now, you have a potential to go up at least 75% from your initial position today. The hardest hit risk assets have been smaller growth stocks whose future earnings in businesses are viewed as having larger price risk in favorable economic cycles. It's also true even with large cap fintech companies like PayPal and Block have suffered this environment with losses nearing 60% since November. So guys, so SoFi is not alone, but like I said earlier, if you are planning to enter a position with SoFi, this is a fintech company, this is a future monopoly. Okay, you might be kicking yourself 3 years from now or 4 years from now why did not enter a position at around $6.39, which used to be the 52-week low of this stock. So I prepared myself for this, and I've actually learned a lot regarding SoFi before entering a position in SoFi. Okay, bears on skewers in SoFi stock. So it says in Investor Place, Luke Lango. Oh, by the way guys, I have actually this guy, I have watched one of his videos, and one of the stocks that he actually mentioned, this guy here, Luke Lango, is SoFi. So this is true guys, so enthusiastically called the Amazon of finance. And it makes sense. SoFi Technology has gone from its humble start in student loans to a digital first ecosystem of services and products that has continued to grow revenues and expand its reach smartly during the pandemic. So besides SoFi, he also mentioned Lucid. So he specifically said there that if you want to invest in the stock, you have to start investing now, because you are not investing in the future of you are investing in the future of the stock. So if you want to invest in the future of the stock, you have to invest now. So I was surprised because in that specific video, I was just watching exactly who is Luke Lango specifically, right? So within that video, I learned a lot of things, like when he started mentioning about Neo, it was $2. Now Neo is roughly $17, of course, because of the political tension between China and US. Okay, that's the reason why NEO is still pinned down at that kind of price. But in theory, if the NEO is a US company, NEO would have soared already, like Tesla, stuff like that. Okay. Yes, similar to Amazon. Also, by the way, guys, he also mentioned Teladoc. So let's see how that works. But I'm not into Teladoc. I'm only in this specific stock, SoFi, and I'm also a bullish investor for SoFi. Yet, similar to Amazon stocks early days, the journey of SoFi Technologies hasn't been without its share of critical bears, and who, as a group, have respectfully been on the right side of the SoFi stock trade. Okay, guys, keep in mind, without the bears and the bulls fighting together, this stock won't be healthy. So I personally think that SoFi is a very, very healthy investment because of these opposite powers that is trying to talk about SoFi. So if this specific stock is not being talked about, guys, this stock is nothing. Now, guys, this is the article that has sent SoFi soaring today. It says here, Galileo and Mastercard accelerating digital transformation in Latin America and the Caribbean. So Galileo Financial Technologies, a subsidiary of SoFi Technologies. So, guys, for those people who don't know, Galileo is the software company that SoFi bought in the 2020, a subsidiary of SoFi Technologies, and Mastercard on Wednesday, May 4th, that is today, unveiled a multi-year strategic alliance focused on accelerating digital transformation and improving access to financial opportunities for unbanked and undeserved segments in Latin Americas and the Caribbean. The partnership between Galileo and Mastercard will enable Latin American fintechs and issuers to build and launch digital financial services using their combined capabilities and infrastructure. According to a press release, the companies will distribute various Mastercard products and services to support their customers. Galileo is now preferred technology partner and fast issuer processor within the Mastercard partner network. So if Mastercard is partnering with Galileo, definitely I assume Mastercard will also pay something to Galileo for actually using this software. So let's see how that goes. We will see that in the next 10Q of not the incoming one, but the next one. Internet and smartphone penetration across Latin America has reached 70% and continues to grow. Per the press release, financial inclusion at its core is based on digital inclusion. With high levels of digital adoption, Latin American consumers are largely poised to adopt solutions that reduce their reliance on cash. So there's a lot of negative things with Latin America, as we all know, but okay, I think the SoFi is trying to capitalize on that. Okay, so Galileo, Director of Development and Strategic Commercial for Latin America, Tori Jackson, said this in the press release. Our alliance with Mastercard reinforces our strategic commitment to provide innovative and world-class digital financial services and modernized payment solutions for consumers in Latin America. So basically speaking, guys, even though the whole market is scared, okay, because of this catalyst alone, okay, so this is not even the earnings report that everybody is anticipating to be a huge help with the current price action of SoFi right now. I think, guys, okay, that this is just a piece of the iceberg. There's more to come. So once again, I'm very, very bullish with SoFi. It's one of those investments that I want in my portfolio as it reflects the future. Okay. So guys, with the technical analysis of SoFi, okay, currently the time is 1:24 my time, so the volume is 67.41 million. We have an average volume of 55.35 million, meaning that this is just the beginning. So we just bounced from our 52-week low, and we did not gap up, we did not gap down, but we have also bounced from the oversold section, so meaning we still have room going to the upside. We are in the neutral section. Your MACD just started to curl up. We have just seen those two green candles for your MACD, and this is your current price action today. Okay. So guys, you will try to break this down in a 4-hour time frame, and here you go. We can see that your VWAP is now starting to invade your 9 EMA, and it's trying to shoot up against your 50 EMA, and hopefully in the future, okay, hopefully before the earnings, but I am not, but this is just my prediction regarding this. But in the future, I know that we will that the SoFi stock will invade your 200 EMA, okay, and that will start for the bullish scenario for this specific stock. Okay, so in the 4-hour time frame. Okay, if everybody didn't know this, okay, we have a lot of volume. The volume is starting to pile up with the stock. Okay, so now we have a huge support at around $6. Okay, that shouldn't be a question, like I said, because this is a 52-week low, this area. Okay, and so also if we're looking at the current resistance, the resistance that we now have is around $7.68. So hopefully we can close at around $7 today, because this is a psychological level. A whole number is always a psychological number. If we close at $7 today, then we have a huge opportunity to actually grab and retake your $7.68. Okay, and after that we have another huge resistance at around this $9.96. So those are the levels that we would like to see with the SoFi stocks. Okay, once again, guys, this is just a very quick review of the SoFi stock. Guys, if you like the information and analysis that I have provided in this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Once again, this is your boy, Don Leo Trades. I love you all. Peace out.